and welcome to part 2 of the weird beauty trends. Now I did a part 1 in the last video. If you haven't watched that, I'll link it up here. You can go and watch it and then come back to this video. Well, part 1 was just a trailer. The action movie starts now. So hang in there, and without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Arsenic wafers. In the 19th century, pale and translucent skin was considered beautiful. So in order to achieve this look, people would eat arsenic. During the Victorian era, people would bathe in arsenic. Now, what exactly is arsenic? Arsenic एक semi-metallic element है जो अर्थ के क्रस्ट में पाया जाता है. Arsenic is used industrially as an alloying agent and in the processing of glass, pigments, textiles, paper, metal, adhesives, wood preservatives and ammunition. Arsenic wafers were actually sold in US pharmacies. Now you need to know that ingesting arsenic has some very serious side effects such as vomiting, destruction of thyroid function, heart illness and cancer. Constantly ingesting this slow poison would lead to an addiction. Now it was difficult for them to withdraw as well because the withdrawal symptoms were more horrific. Teeth blackening. Today when we smile, हम अपने दांत के लिए थोड़े conscious हो जाते हैं, है ना? We want our teeth to look sparkling white, but back in the day, it was actually the opposite. Teeth blackening simply means dyeing your teeth black in color. It was practiced in many South Asian countries, but was famous for being practiced in Japan. Japan में ये trend को ओहागुरु के नाम से जाना जाता है. This trend dates back to the Kofun period of Japan, which was around 250 CE. Now during this time, pitch black objects were considered beautiful. Teeth were dyed using a substance called Kane-mizu. Kane-mizu was a solution made of ferric acetate. This was made from iron filings mixed with vinegar and tannin from vegetables or tea. Boys and girls would dye their teeth when they hit puberty. Corsets. People still wear corsets to this very day. Now corsets have been in and out of trend. But आज के comparatively, the use of corsets was extreme back then. According to historical records, corset use originated in Greece by the Minoans around 1000 BCE. Around 15th century, this trend reached France, and around 16th century, this trend reached Europe and Great Britain. In the 19th century, having an hourglass figure was considered the ideal body type. But ये time period में women would tighten their corsets so much that their waist could be wrapped around with two hands. And because of this, the women would face a lot of health issues because the corsets would actually squish their organs together. Foot binding. Foot binding means binding the feet together for aesthetic purposes. The origin is unknown, but this trend was followed by the Chinese people since the 10th century till 1949. ऐसा बोला जाता है कि एक कोर्ट डांसर ने अपने पैरों को बांध लिया. तभी के एम्परर ली यू जो थे, उनको ये बहुत पसंद आया. Hence it became a trend among women. Foot binding was done as a ceremonial event for young girls as it was a preparation for her to become a woman and hit puberty. Girl children as young as 3 years and as old as 12 years had to go through this process. The binding was such that 4 toes were pulled together towards the heel. Now this process was very dangerous as there were chances of paralysis, gangrene, ulcers and sometimes even death. Long necks. Long necks have been in trend since a very long time. और आजकल to get these Barbie-like necks लोग plastic surgery भी करवाते हैं. But back then people used an other method to achieve this. म्यांमार के जो कायन औरतें थी 5 साल की उम्र से they used to wear this heavy brass rings around their necks. Now the rings that they would wear around their neck would be about 11.5 kgs. Imagine carrying 11.5 kgs around your neck 24/7. As the women would age, smaller rings would be replaced by bigger ones. जब ये rings worn out हो जाते थे, they would still have it on because they believed that if they remove the rings, it would lead to a broken neck. Although with education and awareness, many people have stopped following this trend, but still there are some who practice it even to this very day. So guys, this is it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next week with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye.